I have big question number 4.
As a student of this institution, how will you promote academic excellence? Bilang mag-aaral ng pamantasang ito, paano mo maisusulong ang kahusayang pang-akademiko?
I believe that I can do that by promoting this university because as I have spent my 14 years of my academic life with this university, I could really say that this university really shaped me as an individual and as a student. And I remember way back then, I'm just a student that who are very shy and insecure about myself. But this institution and the teachers and the workers really shaped me as an individual, and this